Alright guys, welcome to day 10 of the Advent Calendar unboxing. Today we actually have the school related sheets. So the top one is the arts and crafts sheet, and then this one is the important school days sheet, which I thought would be good for when you need to highlight a certain day for school. So it has like no school stickers, early days, vacation, and then all of the break stickers, as well as meeting events, picture day, and then field trips and an open house one as well. And then this one is the arts and crafts sampler sheet, which is perfect for pretty much any time. And that is what day 10 is. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 11.